was like, doggone it. I wanted to break up with her when I was down here, but I missed my opportunity. And we get on the train, or I get on the train. She drives me there. And I turn around and I look at her and she's crying and smiling. That's sad, whatever. And we say, I love you and goodbye. And I sit down and I go, doggone, I didn't do it. Well, I don't know what's going to happen. One thing I know for sure is I'm never coming back here again. And I wrote this song.
I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. Tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends, but I'm never coming back here again. I was caught for 3 long years, lost in the thoughts of a young man's fears. I cannot swim in a sea of tears. I found you out and then I disappeared. Now I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again. And so it comes down to this. One sad parting farewell kiss. Goodbyes in this morning's mist. What's mine is yours, but what's yours is his. So I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is